Pepsi has long been recognized as one of the world's leading soft drink brands, but it hasn't always been without its blunders. Among its many advertising campaigns, there are two notable mistakes that stand out: the infamous fighter jet commercial and the controversial ad featuring Kendall Jenner. Both of these ads sparked massive backlash, drawing intense public scrutiny and damaging the brand's image in different ways. The fighter jet commercial, 1996. Pepsi's fighter jet commercial is often considered one of the brand's most infamous missteps. In 1996, the company launched an ad campaign called Pepsi Stuff, which allowed consumers to collect points by purchasing Pepsi products. The points could then be redeemed for various rewards, including t-shirts, jackets, and even a fighter jet. The commercial depicted a young man who collected enough points to claim the fighter jet, which was shown in a flashy, over-the-top manner, with him arriving at his high school in a jet. The commercial was eye-catching and memorable, but there was one massive flaw: Pepsi had not thought through the logistics of the jet reward. The ad was not a literal promise, but instead part of a playful campaign meant to be humorous and exaggerated. However, due to the fine print in the commercial, many viewers believed it was a real offer. As a result, Pepsi received an overwhelming number of calls from people trying to redeem their points for the fighter jet. In response to the confusion, Pepsi said the fighter jet was a joke and that no one would actually be able to purchase a military aircraft with points. However, this caused a backlash that spiraled into a legal battle. In 1999, a man named John Leonard, who had collected enough points to claim the jet, filed a lawsuit against Pepsi, claiming false advertising. Pepsi eventually settled out of court for an undisclosed amount. The fighter jet commercial, while creative and bold, ended up backfiring due to its failure to communicate the fantastical nature of the reward properly. Kendall Jenner's controversial ad, 2017. Another one of Pepsi's biggest marketing mistakes came in 2017, when the company launched an ad featuring model and reality TV star Kendall Jenner. The commercial showed Kendall Jenner joining a protest, where she offers a police officer a can of Pepsi as a peace offering, with the scene ending on a message of unity and peace. The ad was meant to tie Pepsi's image to social justice movements and portray the company as supporting peaceful protest and social change. However, the ad quickly faced severe backlash for appearing to trivialize real-world protests, especially those related to the Black Lives Matter movement and other racial justice causes. Critics accused Pepsi of using a serious social issue for the sake of commercial gain, with many arguing that it was an inappropriate and tone-deaf attempt to cash in on activism. The image of a celebrity like Kendall Jenner offering a police officer a pep. The image of a celebrity like Kendall Jenner offering a police officer a Pepsi to end a protest was seen as distasteful and out of touch, as it oversimplified the deep and complex issues involved in the real-world protests it was trying to emulate. Why these ads went wrong? These campaigns were poorly executed because they did not take into account the sensitivity of the issues they were trying to address. In both cases, Pepsi underestimated the public's ability to discern when a brand was being manipulative or insincere. People want companies to take genuine stands on important issues, not just use them as a marketing gimmick. Conclusion: Pepsi's biggest marketing mistakes, from the fighter jet commercial to the Kendall Jenner ad, serve as cautionary tales for other brands. These campaigns showed that in the age of social media and heightened cultural awareness, consumers are more attuned to tone-deaf marketing. Brands must understand their audiences and respect the sensitivity of the issues they choose to address. Both of these ads were intended to be fun or progressive, but without careful consideration, they ended up backfiring and damaging the brand's image. As Pepsi moves forward, these lessons serve as a reminder of the importance of thoughtful and responsible advertising.